Hello friends, myself Nikita Gagre. I'm from Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic. Today I'm going to present a presentation on switchgear and protection. So first of all we have to see course outcome. First, identify various type of fault in power system. Select suitable switchgear for different application. Third, test the performance of different protective relays. Fourth, maintain protection system of alternator and transformer. Fifth, maintain protection of scheme for motor and transmission lines. Means in this presentation we have to know the various fault of power system and different types of switchgear application, then different protective relays, then how the system protect of alternator and transmission lines. So the object of this presentation is introduction of MCB, construction of MCB, working of MCB, and application of MCB. So first of all we have to know about introduction of MCB. Miniature circuit breaker. The full form of MCB is miniature circuit breaker. MCB are popularly used for load break protection and isolation of sub-circuit including motor, sub-circuit, lighting circuit and control circuit. Means the MCB are popularly used when there is over current in the system, then the MCB protect our circuit from fault and burning. Then there are some types like motor, then lightning circuit and control circuit. The main use area of MCB is LV site, that is mainly in domestic, light industrial and commercial application. Means MCB are most commonly used in domestic, industrial and commercial application. Here some pictures of MCB that we can see. Then construction of MCB. Most MCB design are single pole construction for use in single phase circuit. Means the single pole MCBs are used in single phase circuit. The complete system is housed within a plastic mold. It is made of flame reactants and high strength plastic. Means the MCB which is used in the house, that the material uses high strength plastic. It result high melting point, high dielectric strength, low water absorption at saturation, low coefficient of linear thermal expansion and high deflection temperature under load. Means we use the high strength plastic, then we have the result that high melting point and high dynamic strength. So here we can see the construction of MCB. The upper side is arc runner, then it's 15 plate arc chamber, then here also one arc runner. Then at the bottom of this MCB, here jaw terminal. The jaw terminal is 25 mm square. Then at the right side of the MCB, here it's trip bar. Then the upper side of the MCB is tunnel terminal. Then moving contact, latch mechanism, then fixed contact, operating handle, then coil assemble. Then working of MCB. The operation of MCB include two stages, that is thermal operation and short circuit operation. Here two types of operation. First is thermal operation and second is short circuit operation. The formal operation based on the thermal effect of overcurrent, while the latter operation is based on the electromagnetic effect of overcurrent. Means the thermal effect, thermal operation is obtained when there is overcurrent, and second short circuit it's happen when there is electromagnetic effect of overcurrent. All MCBs operate on the air brake principle, where the arc between the contact is forced into the splitter plate through arc runner. Then this causes to split the single arc into series of arc and then extinguish the arc by extracting the energy from the arc by the cooling it. Then with the use of bimetallic strip, thermal operation is achieved in case overload condition. In the MCB we use the bimetallic strip for thermal operation. Then application of MCB, there are required in homes, office, shops, distribution board for protection of individual circuit and complete wiring system in that building through main circuit. The most common vehicle application of MCB is house, office and shops. Then distribution board for protection of circuit. Then whatever to be application, these MCBs offer perfect overload and circuit protection. MCB provide us perfect protection for overload and overcurrent. Then it's protect our circuit. Thank you.